Gavin. Gavin. What you doing? Who is that? Is that a good boy? He's a good boy. Is that's Gavin. Here, I gotta get in with you. Can I get in with you? Oops. Right. No. Oopsie daisy. Yeah. Is that the best looking boy in the world? What you doing? Abu. What's that? Is that a... Oh, thank you. Look what Gavin gave me. Look, look, Gavin. It's on Grandma's head. Gavin. I put it on my head. Yeah. He's that good looking boy. What you gonna do? You gonna make dinner? He likes stuff like that, don't you? Yeah, he's a good boy. Oh, you're... Ow! Oh, you don't hit Grandma. You love Grandma, right? Whoops. Oh, those are my keys.
Gavin, he's like thinking, dang, Mommy's a clean freak.
What are you doing?
I just can't stand dishes.
Yeah, I can.
Dishes say I'm not going to do what I do on it. You know?
Uh-huh.
I just can't stand it.
Yeah. What you got? Gavin. Abu. Uh-oh. Where'd they go? Where's Grandma's keys? There they are. What's Mommy doing? Gavin, what's Mommy doing? You gonna see me? Let me see if we get me and Grandma.
Stay clean like she always does.
Well, I'll say her Grandma always did too. Oops, I'm upside down.
Your mom will get older, Mommy. It's not like a burning house.
You'll help Mommy, won't you? Yeah.
That can help me keep it burning.
No, not if you train him right, and it depends on his personality. Hey.
Yeah.
Oh, he said, here you go. Did you hear him?
Yeah.
Thank you. Good boy. Gavin's a good boy. He gave Grandma her keys. There.
Well, you can go now.
Well, okay, Grandma. Mommy said wants me to go now. No, I gotta go. Okay. Thank you. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. You gonna give me a kiss? Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. What are you doing, Sticky? Okay.